Hey guys, what's up? So today we'll be unboxing the Logitech MX Sound Bluetooth speakers. These are 24-watt speakers, so stay tuned in the video and we'll hear what they sound like. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's take a walk around look at these speakers. The links are in the description if you want to check them out. Pretty nice all around design. Now let's get into setting them up and hear what they sound like. Alright, so we'll go under settings and Bluetooth and tap the Bluetooth icon on the speaker. Wait for it to show up. Once it shows up, just tap it to connect and it should say connected. Alright guys, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these speakers. I think they sound pretty awesome, definitely a lot better in person. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button, helps the channel out a lot. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, peace out.